now making a video of Temecula. Yeah, our favorite town. Well, it used to be our favorite town. Now we're liking Marietta. Here is okay, I done that. And just keep going down here.
Let's go driving. I don't care where we go. Let's go down towards San Diego, but don't go too far. You just might end up in Mexico. Not sure what we will do, but all I wanna do is nothing but spend some time with you. So let's go driving to nowhere, just me and you.
Long Branch Saloon.
Isn't it strange? You can talk without saying a word. We can look at the ocean and dream of anything. All our cares and worries seem to drift away with every wave. So let's go driving to nowhere. Let's go driving. Not sure where we will go. Let's travel toward San Bernardino and look at all the pines. It seems to look just like that yard of mine. Oh, it's strange. Go out saying a word. Look at the ocean. We can look at the ocean and dream of anything. All cares and worries seem to every way. So let's go driving. So let's go driving. You and me. Hey, let's go driving. We'll take it slow.
I want to get the sign first.
'Cause we got nowhere to go. So let's go driving
The other end of the street, which I suppose you could say is all there is of Temecula, but we're going to make another turn up here.
We can look at the ocean and dream of
Way past this way monument.
So let's go driving. So let's go driving. You can talk without saying a word. We can look at the ocean and dream of anything. Dream of cares and worries seem to drift.
No, Temecula.
So let's go driving. So let's go driving away.
How about that?
It's great. Look at that. Bus stop.